Your search for a cozy and homely student accommodation ends at the Edition On Rosemary in Chapel Hill, your gateway to a comfortable uni life. Choose from opulent 3-bedroom apartments and unlock ultimate convenience with top amenities. Have a sweaty workout at either of the 2 well-stocked fitness centers, or de-stress with your pod buddies in the outdoor courtyards at this pet-friendly property. You can whip up delicious meals in the regal kitchen. Even your wheels have a home in the covered on-site parking. Also, there's no need to worry about bills when utilities are all included in the rent. Located on West Rosemary Street, commuting to the University of North Carolina at Chapel Hill, and the Duke University Fuqua School of Business will be seamless. Also, you can catch a bus from N Columbia Street and travel across the city effortlessly. With several fast food restaurants and coffee shops nearby, satiate all your cravings whenever you step foot outside. So, book your spot at the Edition on Rosemary in Chapel Hill via amberstudent.com today.